Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, all different stores, all the fun deals, sales, viral stuff, all that and stuff I need. So if you like shopping, definitely hit that subscribe button down there, and yeah. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, and this is from multiple stores in a couple days this week. So yes. So definitely at one store I found some good finds already, so I'm excited to see what this week brings me. Also, don't mind my hair. It's 97 degrees, feel like temperature, so yeah. But anyway, grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's jump into it. So the first thing I got is this. So I remember these from last year, the voice controlled tabletop light, but this one, I don't know why, it looks different than the one from previous years. So I just got this again to try to see if they're different than the last year ones. So I got that. Then I did need a random, but it's an eyeglass repair kit. I do wear glasses, like obviously not in my videos because it's reflective, but I got this because for $1.25, good to have in my purse. So then from Jot, it is the acrylic noteboard, phone stand, and dry erase board. So it's a phone stand and like a dry erase board, which I think is perfect. So for $1.25, got her. Then you get this 2-pack of notebooks, and I think these are so cute. I'm gonna obviously open it because I'm so intrigued. And you can really only see the front of it, so it's like, so let's see. Oh, how cute are the penguins? So you get a cat with a bird and a penguin and a penguin. These are so adorable. So again, it's a 2-pack, so I love that. So adorable. I have a garbage bag next to me. Then, $1.25. Their planners went up to $2 though. But these planners are still $1.25. It's because it's undated, which I don't care that it's undated, do you know what I mean? So, these are super nice. This wasn't like the teacher section. I know these are for teachers, but who cares? But yeah, so they're undated planners. Perfect, and so $1.25, so grabbed her. Then we brought these back. They're the Jot Dry Erase Weekly Planner. So there's 3 different kinds, and this one I do not remember having. So I did snag this one for my weekly planner for my fridge because they're magnetic, I think. I think they're magnetic, I don't know. Yeah, they look magnetic. So we'll see. I can't tell. But yeah, so we got that. Then, they get one of these. It's the hanging travel bag. And these are just essential for really anything, to be honest with you. So I got the white one. They didn't have any gray, so like. Then I did get the Glow Up Contour in Fair Medium in this. I like the sticks better, but I wanted to try this again because I'm seeing this all over TikTok again. I was like, okay, and I finally found my shade, so we got her. Then we got the Summer's Eve On The Go Refresher Amber Nights Intimate Mist, and it's a pack of 3 for $1.25. 3. So I don't know if every store is like this, if it's just a couple stores I went to, but yeah, so Summer's Eve Intimate Spray, $1.25, great find. So that is it from store number 1 of this week. I'm not mad. I have a whole list that I want to find, so hopefully during this haul we find them. But so far, not mad at day 1 of this haul. Okay, we're back at day 2 of this haul. I scored a little bit, pretty good amount actually, so I'm not mad about it. And you're gonna see my hair up for probably most of the videos this summer because it's been in the high 90s, and I'm not used to this warm weather, so I hate it. Anyway, first thing is I got this Better Than Yesterday 365 Daily Challenges to Live a More Confident, Fulfilling, and Carefree Life from the creators of What Do You Mean? And obviously this is name brand, and the fact that this is $1.25, like I'm so excited for this. Perfect for gifts, parties, whatever. $1.25. So we got her. Oy. Then did get 2 of the keychain sanitizers. We got the pink Barbie keychain. These are perfect for gift bags, by the way. Don't worry, I'm still making those. I'm still getting everything to make my gift bag videos. And we have Crayola. So we got these two. Then, finally, I've been seeing some of this collection that's been like viral, but this is just a globe. And I think this is so cute for my desk in my office. So, yeah, we got her because it's fun. Then, I did get another one of the zipper pencil pouches, but this one is in like the green holographic. I love this. So, got her. Then, finally, my favorite pens are being brought back. So they're the Journaling Ink Starlight Gel Pens, and I haven't seen these in forever. These are literally my favorite pens. They write so fantastic. And finally, I got both sets. So, we got those. Then, pens. These are new. I never seen these on video or anything. But they're the Centos Popsicle Party gel pens. So it smells like the Bomb Pop, which was my childhood favorite thing. So literally, yeah, I was so stoked for these. Let's actually do a smell test because I have high hopes that they're gonna smell like the Bomb Pop. Let's see. Okay. This one, the blue, kind of smells like it. Yeah, ew. These do not smell like it. The blue, kind of, but yeah, they do not smell, but still cute concept, so whatever. Then, I did get some of the sticky note sets. I got this set, BRB, a flower, and this is like the retro one, but I use sticky notes constantly, and I thought these were so cute, so got her. Then, I did get the stackable gem highlighters. I constantly use highlighters, and I thought these were so cute. Like little hearts, like, are we kidding? So, I got these, because aesthetic. Then, I needed a little binder, and this one was so precious, so I had to have this. So, yeah, just that. I needed that. Then, these were new, and I'm kind of excited about this. So, they're the memo magnets, reusable memo magnets. You get 4 magnets in one wipe clean marker. So, this is what you get. So, pretty cool for $1.25. So, this is what it looks like. So, you get that. And then I got this one also. So, these ones are different. Yeah, for $1.25, I thought this was pretty freaking cute. So, yeah, hopefully they come out with more, because I would definitely snag them. Because I'm a note taker, as we know. Okay, then, the rest of the haul is, like, beauty and stuff like that. Then I got these men's juncture, men's athletic low-cut socks. 3 pairs, 12 to 14 size. And these give arch support, which I need. So, and like I say, I do the test every time. Super stretchy. So, 3 pairs, pretty good deal. So I got that. Then, I'm super excited. I found the strawberry and cream scented body wash. This smells so good. Literally, so fruity. I will probably repurchase this once I use it because this is my probably favorite scent from DT. This smells so amazing. Get your hands on it. Perfect for summer. So, got her. Then, while we're on that, I picked up another of the body butter. I haven't seen this anywhere except for this one location. So I got this because I'm putting this in a gift basket, and this smells actually so good. So we got the body butter. Then, while we're on that, I did get the lavender candle. I have the other two, and the more I smelled this, the more I actually loved it. So we got this candle, and the packaging is just so adorable. So we got her. Then, let's do hair. So I got these elastics, 3-piece, and they're these colors, and they're like really soft. So we got that set. Then I got this set because I saw online that you can dress your Labubus in these. And I don't have the real Labubus, I have the $5 versions, the Five Below versions. And I saw on TikTok to dress them in scrunchies from Dollar Tree, so I am. So I got these for me and my friggin' toy. And then these were new. I never remember seeing these patterns. How cute. That set. Then this set. I love the blue. So, scrunchies for me and my Labubu. Just kidding, but scrunchies. Okay, then I finally found the Power Stick Hair and Body Mist. So this one is in Santal Woods. Notes of cedarwood, violet, and cedarwood. So we have this one. Then we all know this, the OG one, Brazilian Mist. Pistachio and salted caramel. We all know that one, Brazilian Mist. And then the last one is Amber Rogue. This is jasmine, saffron, and amberwood. So we got all 3 scents of the hair and body mist. So I actually like that. It's like a combo. So we got that. Then we got the Eco Tools infused facial sponges, rose and charcoal infused. And Eco Tools obviously is a name brand. Deep exfoliation, so I'm excited. And you can use this on your body and skin. Okay, so we got that. Then, this was new. Never seen this on TikTok, nothing. It's by Clean Color. Pro Prep and Shine Makeup Primer Spray. Literally, how adorable. So, apply primer prior to makeup. Shake before use. Hold 8 to 10 away and spray over the face. Really small bottle, but still. The fact that it's Prep and Primer at Dollar Tree, yes. So, we got her. Then, I did get this little freaking shark bath bomb. How cute is it? Like, for real? Yes, it was in the kids section. I don't care. It is so cute. So, it's literally a little shark bath bomb. So, we got that. Then 2 oldies, but I haven't seen them in forever, and I love them. It's the Boba Milk Tea Lip Gloss, and this one is in the chocolate and the blueberry. I ran out forever ago, and I finally saw them again, so I got chocolate and blueberry. Then, my favorite restock, I'll always get this every time. You guys already know the color changing Be Pure, always. Then, we got some new stuff. So this is Brow Friction Tinted Brow Builder. Looks like this, and this one is in light. And then the same thing, but in medium. European Wax Center. So we have light and medium in these new brow tinted builder. So we're opening these because I think $1.25, like, are we kidding? Okay, so that's the packaging. And there's a little spoolie. Like $1.25. And they have medium and light. So I got one of each because, I'm not sure. $1.25, European Wax Center. If you guys see these, definitely snag them. Like $1.25. So we got those. Then, I think these came out forever ago, but I never remember it, and I was like, okay, I'm trying it. But they're the Rimmel Jellies. So I got the highlighter, the bronzer, and the highlighter again. But this one, highlighter, bronzer, and this one is a blush. Even though it says highlighter, it's definitely a blush. So this is the blush one. Let's see if I can open it. There's the blush one. Okay, cute. Then we have the highlighter. If I can get it open. The highlighter. Then the bronzer. This is the highlighter. And then this is the bronzer. So, I'm going to try these again. It's been forever. So, we will see. But, yeah, that concludes my weekly little Dollar Tree haul. I found some good stuff. I'm still on the hunt for a lot more. I feel like my stores just around me are so bare, and the price hikes is like annoying, but whatever. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are hunt for, I should be hunt for, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.